I came up with an intro that only old-timers will recognize because I'm hyped as hell. Listen, I think this is the 4th episode in this series. The previous 3, Arthur, you might not remember, but awesome stuff always came out of them. We've planned this, but since it's our first time, we're unsure how it'll turn out. I can't say much because I'm drooling. It'll be fast, easy, and fun, Arthur, since we're blending everything. I hope it'll be great. It will be tasty, and for sure something awesome will come out of it.
The ingredients are interesting.
Popcorn for the first one, oat milk, peanut butter, and I'm going to get caramel ice cream. Do you like caramel ice cream?
I like them, but I rarely eat them since I'm worried about the calories.
RC, they have a ton, but let me tell you something better. Calories burned while recording a good episode get reset. The sponsor of today's episode when it comes to blenders, you know we always go with Blendy-Go. We've recorded so many episodes. Blendy-Go is celebrating its 7th birthday. Their website offers blenders at the lowest prices with huge discounts. We also received this birthday box, which is great. Take a look. When it's a birthday, there's no messing around. It even rhymes. I've always wanted a sweet ride. Yeah. Look here, I could have a chameleon like that too.
The blenders are from the limited Aurora collection, and as we mentioned before, they're available for the brand's anniversary.
It's so pretty, maybe just leave it.
I'm reserving one for the trailers.
Which one?
I'll see about that. Not sure which one you'll see.
Thanks. This one is kind of plain for me. I'd like something more extravagant. These are more extravagant in my opinion. You know what? I'll take this purple one because I can give it to Marta and say that I took care of her, and if that's the case, then for myself too. Look, what a clever move. We'll rinse it quickly and return to the popcorn one. I'm not sure whether to call it a smoothie or shake.
And it's also worth mentioning one more thing. Despite their small size, the blenders can easily crush iced nuts, and you can charge them without any problem using a popular USB-C cable. But all right, enough of the technical stuff, let's go.
Write down the ingredients because I couldn't make a mistake. Oat milk. I've got a 150 ml measuring cup peanut butter, 2 spoons, and then we add ice cream, salted caramel flavor.
Oh wow, that's really fancy.
And I don't know how much.
You're on fire, all right.
I'll add this much since it'll shrink.
I didn't blend this popcorn.
I'm also doing this for the first time. And it's very simple because we'll just press a button and put it on.
He blended the popcorn. Let's just put it on top ourselves. What do you think?
Pim popcorn. I'm adding some more popcorn here. Okay, Archie, I'm really excited. Come on, hurry up, the button. Hop. And look, hey, not too much, not too much. Maybe we'll make it so it's crunchy, you know? But awesome. Do you see this, Kuba? We need to try something.
But that's clever. I'm so smart. Oh, look. Velvety, but...
The point is because it's not. Oh, just like... Layered.
Martin.
There it is. And now here, about 3, just so you know.
That it's popcorn. So how do we eat or drink this? I don't know. Cool.
Boys, quickly.
Papita, got it.
God, Martian, what's going on here?
Look how beautiful it looks.
Yeah, that's a good drink. It looks nice.
Layered.
But not at all.
Ice cream, salted caramel, oat milk, popcorn, peanut butter.
Hey, fresh.
Wow, that's awesome.
Brilliant.
Holy shot. Oh, Jesus.
Delicious.
Damn. Awesome.
It looks beautiful, it tastes amazing, but I'll tell you, the popcorn adds a touch of luxury.
No. Whole popcorn, no. You spoiled us with the ground one. The whole popcorn ruins it, so blend it.
Here's how. With one blender, blend popcorn dry, transfer to a bowl, and you won't need to wash it. That's it.
That's the kind. In a cocktail that makes your finger open up.
I give it a 10. Whoa. Yes, I give it a 10 right away. First shot.
Oh, a tip. It's best to just prepare it, pour it, and serve, but...
I think it's best to come get it and drink it. Honestly, for me, it's a 9 because it's delicious. It's spot on for me, just as you know, the head. No,
we haven't found it yet. Don't panic.
No, 9.5.
So I understand that the next one, Arxie, will have the warm one.
Listen, here's a life hack we always show you. What's it called?
Washing. So something most people don't like?
Damn, we actually don't have any dish soap. All right, a drop of dish soap. Fill 1/3 of the blender with water, close it, turn it on. I like to do it this way.
Let's keep going.
Let's continue. Sorry, I have to say this after the break. Turbo, I feel for you, and you're very humble.
Well, but I'm not saying that it's going to be something amazing, although in my opinion, I think it will be.
It will, but all right.
So? I have almond milk this time, but it smells nice, doesn't it?
Really artificial? Hey, it's like Amarena, but like some kind of liqueur. Banana.
I think half will be enough. Now we'll add a few roasted beets. A bit of cocoa.
Plain cocoa or the sweetened kind? No, no.
Plain. A few almonds help balance it and add sweetness.
You have some strange almonds in your stores.
A date.
Another one like that? I don't know.
You've already entered that. I'll sit down myself. But it already looks beautiful. It will also be like on its own.
Beautiful. I'll make myself at home.
All right, the summer is ready.
Perfect.
It looks beautiful.
Oh, fuck. Strawberry. Oh, what?
I think just a little bit of this cocoa here. No, actually the beetroot is visible. It's very strong. It's basically a dye, right?
Let me tell you this. Even two are still in the frame. Medium stuntmen.
You keep surprising me with all these colors, beetroot and strawberry. You guys trying it? Ooh, hurry.
Oh, damn.
Well, fucking awesome.
Very good. Something really bitter. Oh.
The smoothness, delicacy, shine, and sparkle of this beetroot. It slides beautifully, just like on a slide, right off the tongue. As it slides down, it breaks with its feet like, I taste the bitterness.
But exactly the same.
Such earthiness?
Right? Exactly. Awesome turns, and that last one, like,
Listen, it's healthy and I think the bitterness is from the cocoa. I don't taste it.
Wow, cocoa. Unfortunately, yes. Thank you, because I feel like the magnesium really hit him.
I think, gentlemen, that this isn't universal. People who like those strong, intense things will definitely like this. A lot. In my opinion, it's a solid 7. You might need to add more sugar, but what's key, I'm not sure if I said this or just thought it, is for those who say, good, not too sweet. That's why I'm giving it.
I give it an 8 for healthiness, and because I feel like, wow, now I could move mountains, move beats.
RC's 7-less, and so Archer has a total of 12 points.
You're awesome, I won't change.
We'll wash the equipment and be right over to sort it out, gentlemen. That easy? Grab some popcorn, magic's about to happen.
I'll be loading up on calories.
Oh, don't crap yourself. Oh, but it smells good. Coconut water. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone, Warsaw style typically. I put in almost everything I don't like. Ah, damn, that's sad. Cucumber, plop, and frozen pineapple. I want it to be fresh, so it'll be fresh.
The look on your face?
I do it like this, yeah, like this, and it squeezes. No, it pulls the juices out, man. Actually, shut up. No, smell it, blow on it, inoculate it. It's turning all milky.
But look at all this foam. Hey, and Mishu, yeah? Isn't that your ingredient?
Do you see that foam?
I want some too.
Wait, Arctic, wait. Wait, please, no.
Okay, I'm taking the spoon, relax.
2 pinches to boost the flavor.
So that's salt, I guess, right?
2 pinches of salt. All right, and now we'll really be ready. Oh, damn, you can see it sculpted. Guys?
This will be the complete opposite of that sweetness. So much acidity. This is kamikaze.
But look, it will slowly settle and form these structures.
Marcin, this looks exotic.
Well, I do.
It formed 2 layers. I'll try it as a shot.
I taste leek.
Oh, right, I'll try it layer by layer.
Oh, damn. I couldn't tell what this is. Maybe a garden mojito, a gardener's mojito. Anyone who likes cucumber cocktails would love it. Wow. Hey.
But I'll tell you, it really is a gardener's drink, and you have that cherry syrup. Yeah.
Go ahead, try it. You say it's missing cherry? Ouch.
Throw the whole produce aisle in there and let's go.
Oh, damn. Oh, there's sushi, huh?
Hey, oh! It's really cool. Damn. But you know how much fun it is to make it, right?
What's going on? Well, I guess that's it. Oh, damn.
Give it before. Hey, really?
And Tabasco, Arshin, put a drop of Tabasco in yours?
Damn, 2 different worlds, right?
I would have eaten a banana in the meantime.
But then in that world, the sweetness suddenly hits you.
It's like layers, right? Yeah, that's good.
What a hustler.
But I'll tell you, you can really have fun with non-alcoholic drinks.
Right? No, just a few drops.
I didn't feel anything at all. All right, listen, this isn't a drink for everyone. It's pretty particular. It was missing the cherry at the bottom. I'd rate it a 7, mostly for the appeal of the cucumber, something different.
For me, it's something like a discovery. 8.5, I think, maybe a bit less.
For me, that's a 7, but I'm lowering my score to 6.
But we recommend you try it and see if it's to your taste.
I didn't feel anything, then suddenly this happened. I don't know.
You're oxygen deprived because you've been doing this for 4 minutes.
Well, because I want to say, for me, it's 6.9. 6.9, that's 6.9. So I'm taking my toys and going home. That's how I can describe this drink.
A new level of expansion.
This rake makes me feel, like a farmer, right? 6.5. We're waiting for the next one.
Yeah, let's keep going.
You know, I saw on TikTok, and I think we even made watermelon steaks once.
And you're slowly coming to me thinking you'd like to take me on a date. Do you see what's standing here next to me?
I know because I saw what Arthur poured and you lack the packaging.
Energy drink. Sour apple. Listen, things are going to happen here because as you can see, there's lime juice, smoked paprika, chili pepper, frozen watermelon. And as I mentioned earlier, here you can choose whatever flavor you want, but we chose sour apple. This will also be sour, so it's going to be strong. A bit of lime juice and smoked paprika. No, he didn't eat it.
We'll eat this much.
No, it's not that bad.
All right, give me a slice. If it doesn't kill me, then no.
Well, it's not spicy at all.
All right, to her.
Listen, it's the first time I've seen so little liquid in a shake.
I know there should be more, but it's watermelon, damn. But I'm scared. No, no.
Don't worry, it'll taste great. I'm looking for the black one.
Oh, nice, thick. Gentlemen,
It looks like I'm climbing mountains. It's like, you know, rocks.
so you're back from that little spin, right?
But I see it.
Oh, damn, Arthur.
Smoked flavor.
It changes everything, but without it, our heads would explode. One more.
I've never eaten smoked watermelon.
Me neither. That's exactly the flavor we were going for. Look, we're not doing anything ordinary.
It reminds me more of whiskey.
Watermelon with sugar would be good too.
It's like, damn, someone grilled a watermelon. Yeah, it got a bit of smoke. Try it.
How weak regular watermelon is compared to this.
Someone didn't finish me. You didn't like it?
No, the smokiness is too much for me. Honestly, I'm not a fan of watermelon and I've never eaten it. We don't like watermelons, but they taste good.
No, it always had a rind.
I've never met anyone who disliked watermelon.
Well, now you do.
I take it back, Arthur. This is delicious. I love the taste, Archie.
This is something to savor. It's really something different. And each of these cocktails that you prepared for us here, well, each one has something different about it, right? Each has its own story.
And honestly, I remember a few times, the third time I could have fun with this even without pouring in any alcohol. Yes, because you don't need it. That's how it's supposed to be. Beautiful, maybe even better. Summer, it's hot, sausages are on the grill, non-alcoholic beer, drinks like that.
You know what?
It even works for me. I'm delighted. I really love this whole cocktail format. I don't think there was ever one that didn't taste good. Yeah. I'm not just saying this to make you feel good.
You'd rather make things unpleasant there. Second thing.
We're being honest.
See in the video how it's like Disneyland because we're dissing each other and that's the point.
Listen, I give this a 9.
Wow.
I gave it 8.5.
I give it a 10. This is my Lobaben, right? It tastes perfect to me, but it needs that pepper. Sipped like this, it's Monaco. But if you chug it in one gulp, it's Poland. Oh, no, just like that. Hey.
And
Great episode.
we'll say it like always. Don't just take our word for it. Just go ahead and try it yourself.
There wasn't a single one that couldn't work in bars, in venues. Bravo, Restoru. Oh, I almost forgot. In the description, you have links if you want to get a blender at the best possible price. For the 7th anniversary, with a turbo discount, just click there. Take care. Me and my